Hi everyone, very good morning to you all. My name is R.K. Vijay Prasad. I'm the founder of COKES, the Center of Learning, Knowledge and Services. Me and my partner founded COKES in June 2015 with an aim to help out our farmers of our region. Our intentions was basically of how to provide financial access, market access, and then also help them with capacity building. Uh, During the first year itself, we were, grateful enough that we were incubated by the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad, and SAP Labs India. During this particular period, we had learned a lot of things of what are the possibilities and what are the pros and cons of the region and of the producers that we're trying to work in. Uh, we then went on to start a food brand called Be Natural, which is, of course, farm to table folklore, so to say. And you can check it out on benatural.buzz, the product range that we have. Again, with a different message. What we're trying to do with whatever that the food available in our region, we try to focus on one important thing which makes us stand apart from all the remaining brands that are there in the country. It's about giving regional traceability to our each and every product. It means that we want the consumers to be aware of who is behind this particular product. There's a code in our product where you can just scan it and you can go down to our website, log in your batch number, and you can actually see the farmer and see his message, where he's from, what he does, what he grows, even up to his contact details. So in any case, if you plan to visit a beautiful region of the northeastern region, you can definitely pay a visit to him. In 2017, we founded a cosmetics brand. It's actually one of the first cosmetic brands of the northeastern region. It's called Mad Essentials. Mad Essentials is actually make a difference, an abbreviation for that. Again, how did we come up with this? All these products that we have from Mad Essentials are essentially sourced from our local region, and they are from the spoiled fruits or spoiled vegetables. We extract the goodness of the oil that's still left in them, and that's how we come up with it. I think we came up, the first experiment that we did with this is actually from honey. The beeswax that comes out of it, we make lip balm out of it, and it went all the way up to Washington, and we got very good reviews for it, and that's how we started. The struggles, I think, for every entrepreneur is the same, especially when you start. I quit 5 jobs to be unemployed and to start from scratch again. And as you know, there'll be no backing. Your family, your friends, everybody calls you a fool. But I believe one thing that every entrepreneur should have in their minds is that, you should do something in your life that brings a lot of meaning. Don't chase after fame or fortune. That's not going to bring you success. Chase after a peace of mind. Chase after the difference that you can have. All throughout all our companies, the only source of inspiration we got and how we started is because of the Gandhi's talisman. And that's what we try to do each and every single day. At COKES, we live by the saying of creating change and changing lives, and that's what we try to do every single day. Today, COKES, we are present in more than 10 states in the country. We recently just opened up an office in Nagaland as well. In fact, it was just last week, and that's COKES Skills is there. So I'll just tell you about how many types of companies, organizations do we have. There's COKES, the parent company, which involves a group of company, and there's COKES Manufacturing, which owns 2 brands, or 3 brands rather. That's Be Natural, the food brand, the food and beverage brand. There's Mad Essentials, the cosmetic brand, and there's something called as In a Box, which is your gifting. We call gift in nature. All right, and then there's COKES Skills, which it deals with capacity building, and we empanel with various government agencies and non-government agencies, CSRs and things like that. We empanel with NSDC, we follow NSQF compliances. We even do turnkey projects for various government agencies throughout. The most recently we're doing with the government of Nagaland, in fact, to change the entire system of how do we take up the marketing linkage for the organic growers of the particular region. Other than that, we also have manufacturing of machineries for food processing under the brand Levi's. We also do a lot of consultancy projects under these brand names. So these are the few things that we've expanded into, and What holds for us in the future is we're actually looking big into the export scenarios. Right now, the team is working through day and night just to reach out to more international markets. The most recently, we are able to successfully place our products in the US, and we're looking to place more, by the end of the year, hopefully for that matter. We're definitely looking at expanding our projects, and we're definitely looking at expanding our footholds throughout the Himalayan systems, and hopefully we'd like to be beyond India in the next 2 years. Uh, there's a plan that we had made before the lockdown, and yes, the lockdown has been very tough for each and every one of us, not just you, not just me, but for every person. But let's remember one thing why we started this. This is just my message to you all, We started this because we had a belief in something. Let's keep that belief alive, because this belief in ourselves, our capabilities, our people, and our team is the only thing that can help us survive. There's nothing else that can do that. And I hope you all stay safe and sound. See you all soon. Thank you.